everyone, warmly welcome to our YouTube channel Mysterious World in Sri Lanka. Through this channel, we hope to give amazing stories in the world. So, if you want to get that knowledge, join with us. Today we hope to talk about the most successful person in China named Jack Ma. I had aggression. No one liked what I thought, what I did. Some called me crazy. They were told I was a failed man. Everyone rejected me. But I just wanted to reach to the top level anyone cannot reach. I think I am on that journey. Jack Ma is one of the most successful persons in the world in 2021. If Jack Ma is the internet giant of China one day, if you surf the internet and search the internet for anything, you will no doubt have seen the name of Alibaba, the giant business created by Jack Ma. Alibaba is a company designed to buy goods online. The creator of this world-famous website is Jack Ma. Jack Ma is one of the richest person in the world today, but his life has never been more beautiful. It's amazing how Jack became a real person to the world through his efforts as he reclaimed the society in which he lived. He has now become the richest man in Asia. Jack Ma was born in 1964 in a very poor family in the southeastern province of Hangzhou. His first name is Ma Yun aka. He is the eldest in the family and he has two brothers. He is married to Shanwei. Jack was not much interested in learning. It is noteworthy that he failed twice in his first year. He has also failed 3 times in the exams. But his aim was to learn English. Because of his aim for learning English in China, he used his own style to achieve the goal of developing the region's tourism industry after US President who named Richard Nixon visited Honshu in 1972. He used to go to the park on his bicycle every day and take foreign tourists for free tours. He used to speak English as far as he knew when traveling with them. One of a woman on that trip named him Jack Ma. Ma Yun Ma is the guy then became Jack Ma in that way. Jack, who had failed miserably from time to time and ended his school life, applied to university, but he did not get the chance. From time to time, he asked for educational opportunities from Harvard University, but no one cared about him. He eventually graduated from a university where he graduated with a degree in English and applied for a job. Jack Ma says he applied for about 30 jobs, but all of them were rejected. Eventually, he is helped by the English language he has learned with difficulty. It was an opportunity to work as a teacher at Honshu University. He was paid $12 for a month. In 1995, his life was changed. Jack Ma, a Chinese national, had the opportunity to visit the United States as a translator, during which he learned about the internet he had never heard of. Jack had a problem with the lack of internet access in China, which has a population of millions. He spent a few days in the United States doing a good job on the internet, and as soon as he arrived in China, he told his friends about the internet and said that China could work with it. But the response from friends was that Jack was crazy. Jack says about his past that it is better to be crazy than to be stupid. Jack, who could not even use a computer when he went to America, but he saw a huge future in the internet. Also, he says he did not have the desire to profit from it. If we start something for profit, the chances of success increase a lot. More importantly, we do what we do honestly. If we do what we do honestly with the right understanding, money will follow us. That's what Jack Ma says is the vision of life. Following his efforts and determination, he started a website called China Pesh, in which he mentions about China and Chinese products. Time has passed slowly, but it wasn't until 4 years later that Jack Ma made any money from it, but he tried his best to popularize the site. In 1999, Jack, along with his wife and a group of 18 people, began promoting China's clothing and medium-sized businesses online. Alibaba started the company as a result. Today, due to his efforts, he was born in that poor place and he became the number 1 billionaire in Asia who has conquered the world through his efforts. Jack, who is one of the richest people in the world, once he said in a lecture, "My biggest regret is that young people have no hope nowadays. They do not have the right vision. I also had the mentality of losing everything, but I learned exactly how to make my chances. We never get up if we worry about not blaming others. Instead of blaming the society for the defeats and setbacks, one should have the self-confidence to rise through that defeat itself. Today is a difficult day, tomorrow will be even harder, but the sun will rise tomorrow. If you give up life tomorrow, you will never see the light." Jack Ma's stories is a great example to young people around the world. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and also put a like and share with others. We will meet on our next video. Stay with us. Have a nice day.